Hey everybody, we're just cutting out some parts and a few things for around the shop on the CNC Plasma Table. Give you a little preview what that looks like and check it out. So we got our 4 signs cut out. We'll do a little bit of cleanup on them. It'll show you where they're heading. We're gonna take a couple of these carts. We'll paint these, put them on the side, maybe something like that, so that everyone knows that these, the 2 carts we're doing, these are for the mechanics, the guys doing mechanical and electrical, so they can have carts next to the vehicle they're working on, not have to tie up fabrication bench or welding bench, something like that.